Morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer. And now enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here we've got device information with serial number at the bottom. Tap on OK to exit. And now you can also locate it via settings. To do it, just enroll the settings, scroll all the way down, mark About Phone, and reach Device Details. Here, go to Model, and you've got your serial number here as well. So these are two methods that you can reach your serial number straight from your phone, not from some box or whatever. Super convenient, super quick. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.